Hello guys, welcome back to Churro Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to get Snapchat dark mode and how to do this up. So first thing what you have to do is, if you're on the iPhone, what you have to just go to the App Store and search for Snapchat and make sure that it is on the latest version. So you just have to search for Snapchat and make sure it is up to date, and this is what you have to do. And this is the first step what you have to try out. Okay, now as you can see that it is there is an update option, so I just have to tap on it and I have to update to the latest version. This is what I have to do. Once it is done, you just have to follow the next instruction, which is quite simple. So let's move to the next one. So next one is all about, once it is successfully done, you just have to go back and you just have to move to the Snapchat. As you can see, it is getting installed, so wait for it and open Snapchat. Now from here you just have to tap over here. Then there is a profile icon at the top left, you just have to tap on it, and from here there is a settings icon at the top right, just have to tap on it and just scroll down a little bit and make sure there is an option called app appearance. You just have to tap on it and navigate to it and tap on it. Now from here, as you can see, this is on always light, right? So you just have to change this to always dark. Okay, now just go back, and as you can see that the dark mode has been successfully enabled. And if you're not finding app appearance or any kind of things over here, don't get panicked. What you have to do is just scroll down a little bit, and you just have to scroll down, and under the account action there is an option called clear cache, right? So you just have to tap on it and you just have to go for clear cache. Okay, once the clear cache is done, just go for OK and reopen the Snapchat once again. And those who find difficulties in missing this particular app appearance over there on your iPhone, you'll be getting that in the settings icon. As if you go once again, it will be able to go and you'll be getting this. And this is about how to enable a dark mode on your iPhone. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.